Day one on our journey to the Oregon Trail. We're going to Oregon from Independence, Missouri, which is where the Oregon Trail starts.
This is the digestive system. We're going to head down to the poop deck on Lake Pepto. Some terms from the digestive system. We have let's actually do digestion of proteins. Protein enters the body are often complex strands of assembled amino acids. Our bodies need to break them down to simpler forms to build the protein back up again for bodily functions and processes. Protein digestion really begins in the stomach. Okay. Hydrochloric acid breaks down the protein into smaller amino acids. Pepsin is also involved in the breaking down of the protein, specifically collagen, which is animal connective tissue. Protein digestion continues in the small intestine, where trypsin breaks down the protein into single-strand amino acids capable of getting through the wall of the small intestines. Trypsin does this by a process called hydrolysis. Okay. Some interesting facts about the liver. The liver can lose up to 2/3 of its cells and still function. The liver holds 13% of a person's blood at any given time. After that blood passes through the stomach and intestines, it immediately goes to the liver. So the liver kind of filters it. The pancreas' primary purpose is to secrete substance via exocrine endocrine systems. The two main secretions are insulin, glucagon. Both hormones play a fundamental role in blood sugar regulation. The pancreas secretes a lot of enzymes that help break down fats, carbohydrates, proteins. Without the pancreas functioning properly, starvation is a good possibility because it'd be unable to digest the food. Okay. The primary difference between mechanical and chemical digestion is chemical digestion actually changes the food properties, while mechanical digestion really changes the shape and also moves foodstuffs through your body. Also, it breaks down the food so it has greater surface area. Alright, we're going to wrap it up here on Poop Deck near Pepsin Pond.
Boy, I sure am thirsty. Look, some water. Hopefully there's no diseases in it.
Oh no, I think you drank some scurvy. That's what happens when you have a bad immune system. And over here is a good immune system. The function of the immune system is to fight off infectious organisms and other invaders through a series of steps called the immune response. The immune system attacks organisms and substances that invade the body systems and cause disease. It's made up of a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body. Major lymphocytes, the B and T cells that are found in bone marrow, play an important role in the function of the immune system because they have the ability to kill the bad pathogens. Most leukocytes are made in the bone marrow and are found
in the blood and lymph tissue. Leukocytes help the body fight infectious and other diseases. The thymus gland is a ductless, butterfly-shaped gland lying at the base of the neck, formed mostly of lymphatic tissue and aiding in the production of T cells of the immune system. The skin is an important part of the immune system. It has a physical barrier, but it also has specialized cells that detect invasion of foreign proteins such as bacteria or viruses, and other cells have function of destroying and removing such material. If a pathogen makes it past the body's immune defenses, an abnormally high increase of body temperature is a common response. Called a fever, may be caused by scurvy. If pathogens should enter the body, the macrophages, which will be fighting the invaders, secrete chemicals called pyrogens. These chemicals order the hypothalamus to raise the body temperature. Therefore, the body works harder to meet the set temperature. This means that there will be an increase in cell division. Not only does an increase in temperature kill many bacteria that can live at temperature over 37 degrees Celsius, but the immune cells divide and work faster to kill the pathogens. Vaccination is the administration of antigenic material to produce immunity to a disease. Vaccines can prevent the effects of infection of many pathogens. The vaccine stimulates an immune response, which builds immunity to the pathogen. An allergic response is when the body releases histamine. It causes an inflammatory response. And that's the immune